Card tutorial, simple aesthetic. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To create a website using Card, go to your browser and search 𝗕𝗂𝘂𝗀𝘀𝗀. Click Choose a starting point to begin setup. Choose a starting point that suits your needs. Scroll down and pick one template you like from the available options. For example, choose a specific template that catches your eye. To edit the template, click the element you want to modify. For image elements, click the image and then click Upload to add your own image. Set the title, alternate text, and link URL inside the image settings if desired. Go to Appearance to adjust the image position, shape, border, and size. To edit animations, click the Animation section where you can modify the animation type, duration, delay, and threshold. For text editing, click the text you want to change. Inside text settings, edit appearance options like color, font, size, and spacing. You can also modify animations in the animation section. To edit buttons, click on them directly. Inside button settings, change the label, icon, and URL. You can add new buttons if needed. Go to Appearance to adjust the button style, color, spacing, and size.